初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Hi there. How's your week going?
Hi there. How's your week going?
你好，这周过得怎么样？
Hi there. How's your week going?
Hi there. How's your week going?
Great to see you today.
Great to see you today.
今天见到你真好。
Great to see you today.
Great to see you today.
What a nice morning it is.
What a nice morning it is.
多么美好的早晨啊！
What a nice morning it is.
What a nice morning it is.
Did you have a good dinner?
Did you have a good dinner?
你晚餐吃得好吗？
Did you have a good dinner?
Did you have a good dinner?
I'm doing well, thanks a lot.
I'm doing well, thanks a lot.
我很好，非常感谢。
I'm doing well, thanks a lot.
I'm doing well, thanks a lot.
I love eating fresh fruit daily.
I love eating fresh fruit daily.
我喜欢每天吃新鲜水果。
I love eating fresh fruit daily.
I love eating fresh fruit daily.
Let's try that new cafe downtown.
Let's try that new cafe downtown.
我们去试试市中心那家新咖啡馆吧。
Let's try that new cafe downtown.
Let's try that new cafe downtown.
You should wear a warmer coat.
You should wear a warmer coat.
你应该穿一件更暖和的外套。
You should wear a warmer coat.
You should wear a warmer coat.
I'm hungry. Can I have bread?
I'm hungry. Can I have bread?
我饿了，可以给我面包吗？
I'm hungry. Can I have bread?
I'm hungry. Can I have bread?
Would you like some hot cocoa?
Would you like some hot cocoa?
你想来点热可可吗？
Would you like some hot cocoa?
Would you like some hot cocoa?
I need to buy a new pen.
I need to buy a new pen.
我需要买一支新笔。
I need to buy a new pen.
I need to buy a new pen.
I'll suggest a better route.
I'll suggest a better route.
我会建议一条更好的路线。
I'll suggest a better route.
I'll suggest a better route.
It's sunny. Let's go outside.
It's sunny. Let's go outside.
天气晴朗，我们出去吧。
It's sunny. Let's go outside.
It's sunny. Let's go outside.
Could you tell me the time?
Could you tell me the time?
你能告诉我时间吗？
Could you tell me the time?
Could you tell me the time?
My train leaves at 7 p.m.
My train leaves at 7 p.m.
我的火车晚上7点出发。
My train leaves at 7 p.m.
My train leaves at 7 p.m.
Shall we try the new restaurant?
Shall we try the new restaurant?
我们要试试那家新餐厅吗？
Shall we try the new restaurant?
Shall we try the new restaurant?
Can I see the snack menu?
Can I see the snack menu?
我可以看看小吃菜单吗？
Can I see the snack menu?
Can I see the snack menu?
I'd like nuts and apple juice.
I'd like nuts and apple juice.
我想要坚果和苹果汁。
I'd like nuts and apple juice.
I'd like nuts and apple juice.
This bag is light and handy.
This bag is light and handy.
这个包又轻便又实用。
This bag is light and handy.
This bag is light and handy.
How much is this small bag?
How much is this small bag?
这个小包多少钱？
How much is this small bag?
How much is this small bag?
Do you have this in black?
Do you have this in black?
这个有黑色的吗？
Do you have this in black?
Do you have this in black?
Can I pay with my phone here?
Can I pay with my phone here?
我可以用手机支付吗？
Can I pay with my phone here?
Can I pay with my phone here?
Any deals for new buyers?
Any deals for new buyers?
有新顾客优惠吗？
Any deals for new buyers?
Any deals for new buyers?
Where can I find a pencil?
Where can I find a pencil?
我在哪里能找到铅笔？
Where can I find a pencil?
Where can I find a pencil?
Thanks for the great suggestion.
Thanks for the great suggestion.
谢谢你的好建议。
Thanks for the great suggestion.
Thanks for the great suggestion.
Excuse me, where is the bank?
Excuse me, where is the bank?
打扰一下，银行在哪里？
Excuse me, where is the bank?
Excuse me, where is the bank?
Go straight till the end.
Go straight till the end.
一直走到尽头。
Go straight till the end.
Go straight till the end.
Could you help me choose?
Could you help me choose?
你能帮我选一下吗？
Could you help me choose?
Could you help me choose?
Is there a park close by?
Is there a park close by?
附近有公园吗？
Is there a park close by?
Is there a park close by?
Can you speak a bit slower?
Can you speak a bit slower?
你能说慢一点吗？
Can you speak a bit slower?
Can you speak a bit slower?
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
请你重复一遍好吗？
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
I like walking after meals.
I like walking after meals.
我喜欢饭后散步。
I like walking after meals.
I like walking after meals.
How do I get to the station?
How do I get to the station?
我怎么去车站？
How do I get to the station?
How do I get to the station?
Would you try this new tea?
Would you try this new tea?
你要试试这种新茶吗？
Would you try this new tea?
Would you try this new tea?
I enjoy reading before bed.
I enjoy reading before bed.
我喜欢睡前阅读。
I enjoy reading before bed.
I enjoy reading before bed.
That's good advice for me.
That's good advice for me.
这对我来说是个好建议。
That's good advice for me.
That's good advice for me.
This juice is very refreshing.
This juice is very refreshing.
这果汁非常提神。
This juice is very refreshing.
This juice is very refreshing.
You're giving great tips.
You're giving great tips.
你给的建议真棒。
You're giving great tips.
You're giving great tips.
I think that's a good choice.
I think that's a good choice.
我认为那是个好选择。
I think that's a good choice.
I think that's a good choice.
Don't rush. Take your time.
Don't rush. Take your time.
别着急，慢慢来。
Don't rush. Take your time.
Don't rush. Take your time.
I really thank you for your tip.
I really thank you for your tip.
我真的很感谢你的建议。
I really thank you for your tip.
I really thank you for your tip.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。